In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change account in Microsoft Forms. This is handy when you need to move between personal, work, or school forms without mixing them up. First, go to Microsoft Forms. Open your browser and type the Microsoft Forms address, or use your usual bookmark. When the page loads, you should see your existing forms as cards or a mostly blank page if you are new. At the top, you will also see the green Forms header, which confirms you are on the correct site and already signed in with some account. Now, click your profile picture or account icon in the upper right corner. It might show your photo, your initials, or a generic person icon. When you click it, a small menu drops down. In that menu, you will see the current account name and email address, so you can double-check which account you are about to sign out of. Beginners often skip this check and later wonder why the wrong account is open. From that same menu, select Sign Out. As soon as you click Sign Out, the page refreshes or closes your session. You may see a short message while it signs you out, then you are no longer connected to that account. If your browser keeps accounts cached, do not worry, you are still signed out of Forms itself. After that, return to the Microsoft Forms sign-in page. In many cases, Forms sends you there automatically once you sign out. If not, you can simply go back to the Forms web address and it will show the sign-in screen instead of your Forms list. On this page, you usually see a big sign-in button in the center and sometimes a brief description of Microsoft Forms underneath. Next, click Sign In. This opens the Microsoft Sign-In panel on the same page or in a small window. You will notice the previous account name might appear as a suggestion. If that happens, you can ignore it and continue because you are about to enter a different account. Now enter the email address of the Microsoft account you want to use. Type it carefully, especially if your work and personal accounts look similar. When you press Next, the sign-in panel changes to the password screen, and at the top you should see the email address you just entered, which confirms you picked the correct account. Then enter your password and complete any verification steps. This might include a code sent to your phone or email, or approving a sign-in request in an authenticator app. Once that is done, the window closes or the page refreshes and your Forms homepage appears again, now tied to the new account. You can confirm the switch by checking the profile icon in the upper right, which now shows the new account name. You have now switched your Microsoft Forms to a different account without losing access to any forms. If this helped you keep your forms organized, a quick thumbs up would be great, and feel free to subscribe for more simple how-tos.